Yeah. So you guys are understood, right? So how we can
Yeah.
connect the servers? Shit, yeah. So tomorrow also I will explain. Yeah, no worries. Yeah. So what I want to tell you. So something like PO is doesn't understand the what is IP addresses are, right? So Dell PowerEdge R710. So, so NIC card images. Yeah. You see, this is the NIC card. This is the NIC card. Uh, guys, you are able to seeing this NIC card, right? So how we can get the IP address on that server? So if you having the NIC card on your laptop or server or whatever it may be, then only you will get the IP address of that server. So this NIC card must be installed on the hardware. So Dell PowerEdge R710 NIC cards, network cards, images. Yeah. So this is the, yeah, guys, you see. So this is the NIC cards. These are the three NIC. Here we have a four NIC cards are there. Here how many guys? Four NIC cards. NIC card is nothing but a network interface card or Ethernet card. It call it as a Ethernet card. For example, this is the NIC card guys. I want to show you. Yeah. So this is the, how many NIC cards are there here? Guys, tell me how many NIC cards are?
Four.
Four NIC cards are there. So something like cat 6, cat 6 cable. Yeah. So this is the cable, guys. So this cable, for example, cat 6 cable connected from server to switch images. Yeah, guys, this is the switch. So one side it will be connected to the switch, other side it will be connected to the server. So network that switch will give the network address to the. So here this is the switch. These are the servers. So how we can get the IP address? We can get the IP address from here. So this is the switch, guys. We can connect. Yeah, one side we can connect here, and one side we can connect. So we will take this, guys. I will explain to you. Snip new. So this is the one, guys. Copy, paste. So one side is connected, or else I can put it this way. Yeah, we can rotate this, guys. The battery is running low. Yeah. So guys, so yeah. So one side it is connected. The one side this is connected. The other side is connected. Switch. network. For example, so this is the switch, guys. Think so, okay. Yes. So another side. So another side, it will be keep it here one side and one will be keep it here another side. So in the server side. So how we will get the address, IP address? We will create the IP address for the server from here switch. So this switch is connected to the internet. So then that's why it will get the IP address. Guys, understood? So what are these? These are the NIC cards. NIC cards. What are the NIC cards? NIC cards means network interface cards. Network interface cards or 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 Ethernet. Ethernet card. Ethernet card. So the naming convention should be ETH0. How many Ethernet cards are there? 4 Ethernet cards are. ETH1, ETH2, ETH3. So every Ethernet having the IP address. For example, ETH0 having something like 192.168.56.101. For example, ETH1 having the IP address called 192.168.56.102. For example, ETH2 having the IP address called 192.168.168.56.103 or ETH3. So ETH called something like 192 dot so 168.56.104. So every Ethernet card having the IP address. What is this? IP addresses. IP addresses. So something like this is a physical server. This is a physical server. For example, if it is a virtual server. So if it is a virtual server, the naming convention should be should be something like here we installed the so this is the OVM Oracle Virtual Machine. You install the CentOS 7. So how many Ethernet cards? How many adapters? So here in the virtual box, it call it as a adapters. Adapter or Ethernet card, whatever vary. Something like this is a adapt 1. So this is adapter 2. So this is called as a adapter 3. So this is called as adapter 4. Something like you have 4 adapters. But how many adapters you enabled? So you enabled how many? 3 adapters you enabled. Means 3 Ethernet cards you installed. Sorry. You enabled how many, guys? You enabled? Sorry, guys. You enabled 3 Ethernet cards. What are the naming conventions should be? ENP-S03, ENP-S08, ENP-0S9. In the virtual machine, the naming should be ENPS. In the physical, the naming should be ETH0. Both are same. Both are same. You enabled how many Ethernet cards? 3 Ethernet cards here. So one is NAT. So one is a bridge. One is host only. Host only.
What is the meaning of the EIPS?
That means NAT means so we can connect the servers so within the room or so within the office only. So within the office only we can connect. So I want to connect the servers from outside. Guys, please mute yourself. So bridge is nothing but a so we can connect the servers from outside network also. Network also means US to India, India to US, Chennai to Mumbai, Mumbai to Kolkata. So whatever it may be over the internet. NAT is nothing but a local. So bridge is nothing but a WAN. So I want to connect the server from. So what is the IP address of the server? For example, I am getting this IP address 10.0.20.33. The bridge IP address is so 192.168.56.101. Something like host only is something like 192.168. So 20 dot something like 34. So I want to connect the server from US to India or India to US. So which network we can take? We took by so we took the bridge network. What is the IP address of that bridge network? So 192.168.56.101. So you can take this IP address and you can connect the servers. So POW or POW. Now you got it?
Yeah.
Now you got it right? Something like.
Yeah. So you taking the IP address in between the cable. That is how you're gonna
Yes,
connect the
yes,
server.
yes.
I got you. Another thing I was trying to ask is how will you be able to discover the IP address? Is it going to be provided to you by the company?
IP address, yeah. IP address will be two types. That is a different concept. I will tell you. So once we get the networking. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So you see here. So something like adapter 1, adapter 2, adapter 3. Those three are the three different networks you will get. Okay?
Okay.
So I want to show you something like but where I need to get. Yeah. So this is the way we need to add these three. Now you understood, right? So this is the way we can add these three. So if you click in the network, you see adapter 1, adapter 2, adapter 3. Okay. Now you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but you decided not to choose adapter 4, right?
You decided to choose the bridge network.
Did you decide
So
not to choose
yeah,
adapter 4?
adapter.
Okay.
No, adapter 2, adapter 2, whatever it may be, whatever you selected in the adapter. So if you want to, you can select the bridge. If you want, you can select the NAT. If you want, you can select the. So in the adapter 3, you want to use the NAT. Adapter 2, you want to use the bridge. Adapter 1, you can use the host only. Whatever you are convenient, you can use it. But so which IP address we want to take? We want to take the IP address from the bridge. Or we don't want these two adapters. We can enable only the adapter 2 or adapter 1 with the bridge. Okay.
So nobody stopped you from using anyone you want to use for the server.
Yes.
So why didn't you choose or complete the adapter 4? can the server have multiple?
You can close these
So,
three. You cannot enable these three. You can enable these four,
okay,
and
okay,
you can enable as a bridge network. Okay,
okay.
whatever it may be, bridge network. You can take the bridge network, and you will get the IP address for this adapter. Okay,
Yeah,
understood?
yeah.
Yeah. So this is the KAI's concept. So tomorrow I will tell you the commands. I will start the commands. Now I already told you the command one. What is that? cat/etc red hat hyphen release. This command will shows the flavor of the
Linux operating system.
yes flavor of the Linux OS and version also. So flavor means CentOS 7, CentOS
Linux
version means 7 or
7.
something like flavor means Red Hat, version means 8 for example. So flavor means Oracle Linux, Oracle, the
11.
something like 6 or
11.
7 or version, the something like Ubuntu 20 or something like AIX or something like UX. So how we can see the other Linux versions? We can use the cat/etc red. I'm sorry, OS hyphen release. OS hyphen release. You can see the any flavor of the Linux. So this is only for the this command is only for the this command. This command is only for the Red Hat INC flavors. Red Hat INC. What are the Red Hat INC is the company. What is the flavors of the OS released? Fedora.
Fedora CentOS.
Yes, Fedora, CentOS, Red Hat. So this command is work for these three. Fedora, CentOS, Red Hat. And I will tell you one thing. So Oracle Linux. So this was created something like a copy of the Fedora or CentOS or Red Hat. So whatever the commands executing in the CentOS, Red Hat or Fedora, the same commands will be executed on the Oracle Linux also. So how it created the same copy, something like a Maki or copy. So they cloned from the CentOS or Red Hat. So whatever the commands we are using in the CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora, so the commands will be executed on the Oracle Linux also because of it copied cloned from the Red Hat INC. That's the reason the Oracle Linux also using the same commands. If you know the CentOS Red, if you know the any one of the flavor of the Red Hat INC, it is easy to understand Oracle Linux also. Whatever the commands we are executing in the CentOS, the same commands will be executing on the something Oracle also, Oracle Linux also. Okay. So you guys understood the how to install the CentOS 7, right? So what you can do is you can download the Oracle Linux 7, and you can install the Oracle Linux 7 and you can use that OS also. Okay, guys, understood?
Okay. Please, I forgot something. What's the meaning of OVM?
Sorry,
OVM.
OVM.
Yeah.
Oracle virtual.
Yes,
Oracle.
Oracle.
Sure.
Oracle
Okay.
Virtual Machine.
Okay. Oracle Virtual Machine.
Did you record the whole of installation Jackson was doing? Was it recorded?
Yes, this is recorded from last 15 minutes or something like I recorded. So tomorrow I will show you guys. So tomorrow I will show you again. Okay, basically I will show you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Toby.